Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today, we're here to share with you 10 essential tips for traveling at your best. Whether you're an experienced traveler or a beginner, these suggestions will help make your trips more enjoyable and hassle-free. Without further ado, let's dive into these indispensable tips. Let's start with the first tip, early planning. Good planning is crucial for a successful trip. I recommend taking the time to research the destinations you want to visit, book flights, accommodation, and activities well in advance. This way, you can take advantage of better rates and ensure availability for your preferred options. Also, consider aspects such as the climate during your planned travel period, local holidays that may impact your experience, and visa requirements if applicable to your chosen destination. The second tip is to prepare a checklist. Take some time to make a detailed list of everything you need to bring on your trip. Include clothing, toiletries, documents, electronic devices, and anything else you might need. A checklist will help you better organize your luggage and avoid forgetting something important. You can create this list in advance and modify it as you think of other items to add. Also, remember to do a final check before leaving to ensure you haven't forgotten any essentials. Do not underestimate the importance of travel insurance. Traveling always involves a certain level of unpredictability, and travel insurance can be your safety net in case of unexpected events. It covers potential medical expenses during your trip cancellation due to unforeseen circumstances, and lost luggage. Choose a policy that suits your needs and carefully read the terms and conditions to ensure you have the right coverage. You can obtain travel insurance through various insurance companies or travel agencies. Before heading to a new destination, it's important to familiarize yourself with the culture and traditions of the place you're about to visit. This will help you be respectful and better understand the context you'll be in. Research local customs, behavioral norms, and cultural traditions. For example, learn how to greet people appropriately, which gestures to avoid, and what the local food habits are. Showing respect for the local culture will allow you to forge more authentic connections with the local people and have a more immersive travel experience. Before embarking on your trip, make it a habit to make copies of your important documents. This precaution will help you manage any unforeseen circumstances or loss during your journey. Photocopy or scan documents such as your passport, airline tickets, travel insurance, and other identification documents. Keep a copy separate from the original documents, such as in your suitcase or in the cloud, so that you can easily access it if needed. It is also advisable to inform a trusted family member or friend about your destination and leave them a copy of the documents so they can assist you if necessary. One of the best ways to immerse yourself in the culture of a place is through food. Every destination has its own traditional cuisine and unique culinary delights. During your trip, try local dishes and explore traditional restaurants and markets. Seek advice from locals on where to find the best culinary specialties and let their recommendations guide you. Tasting local food will give you a more authentic perspective of the culture and provide you with an unforgettable sensory experience. While traveling, be flexible and open to opportunities that arise. Unexpected experiences often turn out to be the most memorable ones. Try out activities that you didn't initially plan, interact with locals, ask for recommendations, and let your curiosity guide you. This will allow you to discover aspects of the place that you may not have considered before and enrich your travel experience. Remember, some of the most precious moments often happen when you open yourself up to new possibilities. When planning a trip, establish a budget and try to stick to it. Keep track of costs for flights, accommodation, food, and activities you plan to do. Plan in advance and aim for the best value for your money. It's also important to allocate a small extra amount for unexpected expenses or emergencies during your trip. Maintaining a budget will help you better manage your finances during your travels and avoid unpleasant surprises. During your trip, it's important to stay in touch with your loved ones. Inform them about your travel itinerary by sharing your phone number, accommodation address, or other important details. Carry a mobile device with you or use messaging services to stay connected during your journey. This will allow you to maintain a connection with your loved ones and let them know you're safe. In case of emergencies or needs, they will be able to reach you easily. Lastly, remember to enjoy your journey and relax. We often get caught up in capturing every moment through photos or videos and forget to live in the present. Take time to appreciate the beauty of the place you're visiting, savor the local food, take a leisurely stroll, or simply sit back and observe life around you. Capture special moments with photos or videos, but also remember to dedicate time to yourself to fully savor the travel experience. I hope these 10 essential tips help you travel at your best. Every trip is a unique opportunity to discover, learn, and create lasting memories. Remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and comment down below with your next destination. Happy travels!